All right, who's ready to have a good night? So here, bringing my chances down to an all-time low, from Food Network, Scott Conant, and from Cooking Channel, Laura Vitale. It's Italian night. Do you speak Italian?
I speak it with my hands.
Yes, you do.
Yeah. Most of the time, it's not even words.
Exactly.
Well, I meant cooking, but yes, it's also.
That's a good point.
That.
The next time you do this, you'll have added someone into your family.
Yes. Today, technically, there's 3 against 1.
Exactly.
So.
Today she's gonna be eating for 2, but I'll be drinking for 3.
I love that.
It's a good team. Let's get down to it.
Our first contender recently received the Best New Restaurant vote in Charleston, South Carolina. Please welcome R.J. Moody.
Fear the beard. Bobby, our next contender is from San Diego. Here's executive chef Nicolas Bour. Awesome.
R.J., Nicholas, what's your ultimate goal today?
To beat you, man. Right there with them.
Okay, all right. But first, you must go through each other. I'm gonna give you guys 20 minutes and a single ingredient of my choice to make it the star of your dish. And that ingredient is tri-tip of beef.
It's a cut that takes a little minute to cook, and it's scaring the pants off me. I work with tri-tip steak very rarely. I'm freaking out a little bit.
Laura and Scott will taste and decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. May the best chef win.
I'm making a grilled tri-tip with garlic chimichurri. I'm making a tri-tip taco with a roasted corn salsa.
How are you, Nicholas?
I feel pretty good. I think he may have overextended himself on the tacos over there.
Ooh!
My cast iron is super hot. I'm ready to grill. I'm just hoping that I can get that perfect medium rare. I think I maybe overdid the garlic a little bit. We might have to fix that.
Woo!
Vampires won't bite you tonight. I add a little bit more watercress, a little more olive oil.
Tasted the chimichurri. It's got a lot of garlic in it.
Not a good.
So bad for you.
Less than 3 minutes, chefs. I'm a little bit nervous for RJ. It's a huge chunk of meat.
At this point, I take the steaks off the grill. On my dish, I'm adding the garlic chimichurri and 2 pieces of steak on each plate.
1 minute, guys. Get it on the plate.
Oh, man, that's raw. Serving it like this is not an option. I'm gonna get these back on really quick. Set up my corn tortillas on my plate, go back to the steaks.
20 seconds.
Oh, fudge.
Are you guys gonna finish?
I hope that's an answer.
10 seconds.
I top it with the salsa.
8, 7, 6, 5.
I can't watch.
I hit it with some tomato and radishes on top for garnish.
1.
Scott and I are here tonight to take Bobby down.
It all comes down to what you did with the tri-tip. Chef RJ, tell us what you made.
Here we have a tri-tip taco with roasted corn salsa.
The salsa has a great flavor, it has a good spiciness to it.
I would like it on anything and everything from this point forward.
The bits of the meat that have that char are really delicious. Unfortunately, the steak overall, it's raw.
Yeah, that's right.
But I love that you did a taco. It speaks to Mr. Flay, kind of just to be like, I know your flavors, you know?
Nicholas, what'd you make, chef?
I made a grilled tri-tip and a garlic chimichurri.
That steak is absolutely perfect. You cut it the right way. You grilled it at the right time frame.
The chimichurri is more garlicky than I would prefer it, but I grew up in an Italian household, so I can handle it. However, there was a lack of acidity. Like you needed vinegar or lemon.
You have a ton of fat, but it's not balanced out with acidity.
Just give us a few moments and we'll discuss.
I definitely should have sliced that steak thinner. So it's looking like an uphill battle at this point, but crazier things have happened.
So the chef moving forward is Chef Nicholas.
Even though I'm going home, which is a bummer, I hope everybody had half as much fun as I did because I had a blast.
So, Nicholas, I don't like to go home a loser.
We're pleading with you. You're the guy. You got to take him down.
Nick, congratulations. Made it through round 1. You did use my spice rub to win the first round. Is there anything you'd like me to make you for round 2?
How about a cocktail?
The bar is open, sir. You can do whatever you like. What is your signature dish, sir?
My signature dish is salt cod fritters.
Love it.
Yes.
Love that.
We have 3 industry experts standing by for a blind taste test. You've got 45 minutes on the clock, and your time starts now.
I've let my fritters set for a few minutes, and now it's time to fry. So I go rice flour batter, because I like the light crispiness that it gives. And then almond crust and into the fryer.
All right, we're less than 5 minutes away. Nicolas is waiting for his cod mixture to cool so that he can shape his fritters.
Holy crap.
The clock's winding down quickly. If this salt cod doesn't cool down, I'm screwed. Frying something that's loose, it's just gonna blow apart. Next thing you know, you have a fryer of soup.
Oh, here he goes. He's gonna form them, go directly into flour, and then egg, and then breadcrumbs.
Nicolas, how's your mixture? Is it cold enough?
It's a little bit loose, but it is what it is. We'll have to hold it together with willpower at this point.
Willpower. Let us know how that works.
I'm pressing as much of the panko as I can into it because I don't want these things to fall apart in the fryer.
Let's go, guys. Nicolas!
I'm so nervous right now.
I pull my fritters out of the fryer, and they look great. And I start the plate, put my shrimp sauce on the bottom of the plate, I put the fritter on top, and then a little bit of sauce on top.
Bobby's putting a sauce on top of that fritter.
I don't know.
Well, that doesn't make any sense. It's gonna make it soft. 1 minute and 30 seconds, chefs.
I remove my cod fritters from the fryer.
Hell yeah.
They look perfect. On my dish, I have my mustard sauce and a little bit of the cabbage slaw. I have my, thank God it worked out, salt cod fritter. Last minute, I add a salt and vinegar chip.
6,
Last second, I'm gonna add a little harissa on top.
3, 2, 1. Chefs, congratulations. Now we'd like to introduce you to your judges.
First up, the owner of Veselka, Tom Burchard.
The chef and owner of Pig and Cow, Leah Cohen.
And the chef owner of Buddha Libre, Roberto Trevino.
All right, judges, please try the first cod fritter in front of you.
The fritter's nice and crispy. I tapped on it, and it's got that sort of hollow sound, which I'm looking for. It means it's not so dense. But the slaw may actually be overkill on the plate.
The fritter on its own is fantastic, but the mustard sauce, I think it's just a little bit overwhelming. I do, however, love the potato chip. I am a sucker for salt and vinegar.
Well, I agree. The fritter, pretty much a perfect cod cake. There's really no hint of oiliness, but the accompaniments really detracted from that.
All right, judges, please try your second cod fritter.
I actually think dish A, the fritter itself, was probably a better executed fritter, but the shrimp really complemented the fritter. It enhanced that seafood flavor.
I preferred the visual appeal of dish A, but I really like the crispness provided by the almond coating. The sauce is not strictly traditional, but really complemented the croquette.
I love the harissa. I think it gave it a little more character. You know, I'm looking for a dish that says, like, boom, you know, this is different. And this really said that to me.
Judges, it is that time where you must take a vote.
Nicolas nailed his fritter, but they didn't love the mustard and the cabbage. My fritter wasn't quite as good, but I think everything on the plate worked. Could be enough to get me the win.
And the winner is Chef Flay.